People would not look forward to prosperity who never look backwards to their ancestors. In Igbo culture, we believe that life does not end with death, but continues in another realm, and ancestors are living dead who take earthly form as masquerades. Homecoming, a period between December and January, when Igbo return to their ancestral homes to rest after a long and prosperous year. This long-standing tradition practiced by Igbo families is usually marked by multiple social events from marriages, housewarming, football competitions, communal feasts, or displays of wealth. For most Igbo communities, these social events are often accompanied with the special appearance of masquerades.
In every community, you have a headstrong character. Somebody that will always be nonconformist, you know. You tell him, this is what you are supposed to do. This is what the Igwe has said must be done and done this way. He prefers to be headstrong. He prefers to do it his own way. Then you take his case, perhaps to the Igwe in council. They handle it and he is told, this is what you're supposed to do. He is still very headstrong. Then you say, okay, since you don't want to listen to us, we shall now go and bring a masquerade as an umpire, as an arbiter. Now, there is always this uncompromising finality about the decision of the masquerades because they are our relations from spirit land. So when they come, there is finality there. If the masquerade says, this is what you must do, you dare not contest it. If you do, you are ostracized completely. And most times, driven away completely from that community. This is how masquerades originated as arbiters. Now, progressively, people began to enjoy them, their appearances. They were now permitted to feature on social occasions, you know, and at burials as well. Since they are spirits from spirit land, they could also feature in burials to show acceptance of the spirit that have joined them. You want to go? That's it. That was exactly how masquerades originated.
Masquerades, also known as Hmong, are a cultural matrix of Igbo artistic diversity and Igbo conception of the supernatural. Hmong is coined from two words, Mmụọ, meaning spirits, and Ọnwụ, meaning death. They are believed to house ancestral spirits and embody some of the most profound and religious beliefs of Igbo. They appear in dry seasons during the celebrations of harvest or during festivities like marking key rites of passage and ritual cycles for farming or fertility.
I remember that in 1982, when I went to Nara on the invitation of the Igwe of Nara, Nathan Obu, late. I think that was the year he was being installed as the Igwe, and I was invited as the MC for the occasion. We happened to know each other pretty well. A masquerade came, and somebody said, this masquerade is called Inyaboku. It's a very dangerous masquerade. And all the people around me ran away. And I was wondering what happened. And the masquerade came, stood in front of me. I think it pointed a broom or something at me. I had 7 naira 50 kobo in my pocket. I gave the masquerade 5 naira, believing that the masquerade would go away. The masquerade went away, came back, still was pointing at me, and I said, listen, I'm a stranger here, right? If I have done anything wrong, let me know, right? The masquerade moved, came back, and that's when I got angry. And I stood up and I looked at the masquerade. I collected sand from the ground and I threw down and said, whatever it is you want to do, do it. The masquerade went back. Why did I do that? Mmanwụ ọbụla nọ n'iru gị na-enye nsogbu were aja dị na awụsali ya na gị nwa bịara abịa ife ọbụla o mee ọ nachielie na ọmụnwa gwara gị na-agaba ada.
Hmong are always adorned in masks made out of wood carvings and local materials like raffia or bamboo, and are of different types, from war masquerades to old masquerades and beautiful masquerades. Every masquerade bears a story and attributes that distinguish them. Hmong also play different roles in our society.
The type of masquerades we have in Igbo land. Legion, if there's got, if one word must apply to all of them. Depending, of course, on the area of Igbo land you come from, you know. Those of us from Anambra, we have a lot of masquerades, right? When kana bagaba, enwere okwomma, enwere izaga, enwere ijele, enwere mmanwụ akwụ na-eche enyi, you know, enwere ogolo, enwere isato nke ndị dibịa. It's like mmanwụ rinne. There are masquerades in Igbo land who by their very sizes excite the interest of people and their curiosity as well. We take a masquerade like Ajofia from Newi. First of all, the appearance is imposing. It is also intimidating at the same time. And what makes it an object of curiosity is the fact that there is smoke emitting from its top. And that smoke never dies. How it is being done? Well, that's the masquerade for you. So if we want to show people that we have something that will baffle them, particularly strangers to our community, Nisi Obodo Igbo, to be specific, we get out the masquerade like Ajofia.
While Christianity and other religions may have taken root in Igbo land, ceremonial masquerades have been incorporated into certain religious celebrations like the Christmas and Easter celebrations.
Our entire culture revolves around masquerades. You see, masquerades are the vortex around which our culture revolves, and anybody who tries to dissuade us from masquerading is directly fighting our culture. Most of these religions that have been imported from America particularly, you know, have a way of condemning everything that is original to us. I remember so many years ago, one of my friends, he's dead now, he came to my house and I gave him kola nut. No. Look, Ebedike had the very devilish. And I looked at him. Kola nut, the devilish. In Apuala. No. He avoided, even he was avoiding everything. And I said, okay, stop coming to my place now because, I mean, if I can offer you what is devilish, then I am the devil himself. So don't come, you know. You go to where people are getting married now, right? You go through the list of items there. You will not see breaking of kola nuts, which is very sad. You know, kola nut means a lot. It is what we hold and pray to God with. So if you go for a marriage ceremony, you see the father of the bride, the father of the bridegroom. You offer them kola nuts. They will use kola nut in praying for the success of that marital union. Osebulu wa biko ngi ka na yo n'isi ụmụaka na-aba na-eduva nye bụ ụmụaka ba ga-amụ nwoke. But it's prayer. Mmanwụ means a lot to us. Ordinarily, etu anyị nọ now, ọ bụ na ịnụ ege, ịma na Enugu na-ayị ala ogene, akwa ịma. inu ogene kita ebe anyị nọ ọ bụ na ime elere arụ ịma na ịbụrụ mmadụ ịghọtago. And this is what moves us, right? So look, take away masquerade from our lives and you've messed our culture up, and that Peter Jeche will not tolerate from anybody. Yeah.
The masks worn by the Hmong are carved out of wood and are painted. They are also incorporated with beads, shells, mirrors, cloth, and raffia, and are worn on the face over the Hmong's costumes. Masking traditions have evolved, and they're now adapted to reflect more social conditions.
People erect monuments for commemorative purposes. You are looking at the monument, they remind you of something, right? And if you want to identify with whatever it reminds people of, you pose by the monument for a photograph. So the popularity of that monument also rubs off on you, right? Good. Now, there are deities in Igbo land that are very exacting. You don't take chances with them. You don't take liberties with them. If you want to photograph any of them, you have to obtain special permission. Otherwise, you may hurt yourself in the process. There are masquerades that will go to photograph. At the end of the day, you don't see anything in your camera. Yeah. Because you did not notify the people who invited that masquerade before you went to photograph the masquerade. Yeah. I think we have talked enough about masquerades. Now I am thirsty. Give me a glass of life. Cheers. Let there be life, and there was life.